Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and today we're going to do a heat pass, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite products that I enjoy using from Avlon Hair Care. So I've been a long fan of Avlon hair care products, and today I am going to use the MoistureRight Nourishing Shampoo. And this is great for people who have dry, damaged hair. This shampoo is sulfate free, and it is formulated with argan, pequi, and beriti oils, and it feels really nice and moisturizing when it goes on my hair. When I tell you it's really creamy, it has a really nice, luxurious, creamy texture, and it smells amazing. Let's talk about the slip. When I rinsed it out, it felt so good. Next, I am going to use the MoistureRight Nourishing Conditioner, and this is great to add strength to your hair and increase elasticity. It's great for all hair types too. It moisturizes the hair and scalp, which promotes healthy, longer, stronger hair. And it leaves my hair feeling really, really nice with slip, which is what I love. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, especially focus on those edges, and condition my hair with a plastic cap underneath a hooded dryer for 15 minutes. And using quality conditioners is so important when it comes to a hair journey, especially if you're on a relaxed hair journey. It just makes a world of difference when it comes to your hair health and trying to retain length. And boy, when I tell you, when I rinse it out, slip was on 10. Now I'm going to use the AffirmCare MoistureRight Leave-In Detangler, and I absolutely love this leave-in. It leaves my hair feeling smooth, shiny, and static free, and it allows my hair to really detangle with ease, which is what I need. And I'm going to apply this into sections and detangle from the bottom up. And I'm going to use my favorite blow dryer by EAP Heat with a comb attachment. And I'm going to blow dry my hair on a very, very low setting within each section, taking my time, making sure I am nice and gentle when doing this. I also really enjoy this leave-in detangler because it's very lightweight, and I do have fine hair, and I really like how my hair blow dried with this product. Very lightweight, and I definitely see myself using this more and more in the future when it comes to heat passes. And you know what, I also do enjoy using this leave-in detangler just to kind of like refresh my bun or braid out or something like that. So normally I would leave my hair just blow dried. That's how I typically wear it when I do a heat pass, but I was enjoying my hair and how it was feeling so much. We're going to go ahead and flat iron a little later on, but overall my hair is feeling really, really good with all the product that we did use. So I'm going to continue to gently detangle because I am recovering from being sick, and the front of my hair is a little weaker at the moment, so I'm just going to really take my time with detangling the front area and making sure that I do apply the detangler in sections and gently blow dry on a very, very low setting. So it's blow drying with ease, and I love that. And in total, it only took me about 10 minutes to blow dry my entire head on a very low setting, and my hair is super fluffy and it feels so good. And y'all, I don't do heat passes very often, and this is my first heat pass since June 2022 because I did get sick and my hair is recovering from going through that illness, girl. It was serious, and I'm very satisfied with how my hair is looking despite all of what I went through. Okay, next I am going to use my Avlon favorite, which is the Silk and Seal Heat Protectant, and I use a couple pumps in my hand and distribute through my hair because just a little goes a long way for me. And so I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into sections so I can proceed to flat iron it because I just find it much easier to do this in sections. And so I'm going to section one large section in the front and make sure I split the back half and focus on that part first. So when I flat iron, I always tend to use smaller sections within a section within a section. So I am going to use a fairly small section here because when I flat iron, I try to only do one pass at a time And I am going to use the EAP flat iron. If I'm correct, I think this is ceramic plated. I typically enjoy ceramic plates a lot better when it comes to flat ironing my hair. And so one pass was all I needed because I did use some great products to prep my hair. And it's very smooth. One pass was all that was needed, which I was very grateful for. I was like, yes! And my hair feels very smooth and very soft. So I'm just going to continue to do that within each section, and the shine is amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my hair in the back, and it's looking pretty good, okay? And it's moving stiff wear. Now you're... So let's go ahead and finish the front. And for the front, I am going to take it one pass again. And the temperature on my flat iron was 320 degrees. And for my edges, we are going to use the StyleRight Sensational edges. And when I tell you this is my favorite edge control right now, I love this stuff. So I am going to apply a little bit of this to my edges. And again, I have been avoiding my edge area because, like I said, I'm recovering. The front of my hair is recovering a little bit, so this is my first time having some fun with my edges, okay? And this product is very flake free. It's very soft holding, but also provides a nice hold for me that I enjoy. It doesn't crunch up, it's not flaky, and it doesn't leave my edges feeling dry. Say, for example, the next day, how some edge controls can leave your edges feeling like, ooh, it's been a little dehydrated up and over here. But my hair feels, especially my edges, feels really nice and moisturized, and I do enjoy the soft hold and shine. So it does have, when I say soft hold, it's not crunchy and stiff and hard and drying. So it does provide a very nice hold, but it's not crunchy. So I'm just going to do some really soft wispy baby hair, which I like, and just kind of keep that area nice and simple. Do enjoy the shine and the fragrance of this. All of the products smell amazing. So next I am going to use the Light Headdress Cream, and this has pythol extract, and I am going to use this just to help control some of the flyaways that I have at the top of my hair. And I also love using this when I do have some updo styles like a ponytail or things like that. It provides a really nice moisturized light hold, and when I say light hold, it's nothing crunchy or hard on my hair that I love. And I am going to use the Pro Growth Oil, which is also a favorite of mine that I enjoy using, especially for scalp massages as well. And so I am going to place a little bit of this in my parted area because I do have some new growth coming in here, and I want to make sure I keep that nice and shiny and feeling oh so amazing. So this is pretty much it, my final results of my flat ironed hair, which I don't do often, but I'm very satisfied with my results using my favorite Avlon hair care products. And if you are interested in these products, I have it all listed out in the description below, and additional information on where you can find these products for yourself if you would like to try them out for your next heat pass. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.